I'm going to show you how to update Parsec. So Parsec should automatically check for updates when you run it. So if there is any available updates, the first time you run it, it will prompt you. So you can simply start the Parsec application, and when prompted, you can click on the update button to update it to the latest version. And the second way to update Parsec is through manual update, where you can basically uninstall the current version by right-clicking on Windows Start button, go to Apps and Features or Installed Apps, and then search for Parsec here. Click on it and then click on Uninstall. And then you want to go to the Parsec website, which is parsec.app. And from here, click the download button and then click on download for your operating system. Now simply run the installer that you've downloaded and proceed through the steps to install Parsec again. And this should usually install the latest available update or version of Parsec. Now all you need to do is restart your computer, and then once your computer is restarted, you want to restart Parsec as well as admin. Right click on it and run as admin. And now you're good to go. You should have the latest available version of Parsec. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.